In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the camera on your Amazon tablet. All right, so here's your camera icon. If you want to open up the camera, you click here, and your camera will open up. Right now, I have it set facing me. You can do photos, or you can do video. And if you're doing video, you're going to see this little red dot there. You follow me? Over here, if you click on this, it's going to give you a couple of different things that you can do. You can put a grid on here. You see how it makes these grid lines? Or you can change it and bring it with no grid. Here, if you click on this, it's going to give you auto, HDR, and night. I'm going to leave it on auto because I think the thing knows better than me. If I want to flip it over and I want to shoot from the back camera, I click here, right? And now it's the back of the camera. On the back of the tablet, I mean. If I want to shoot from the front of the tablet, I click here. And it comes back to me. You can see me there. Then if I wanted to do a video of myself, I just go like this. Test, 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 1, 2, 3. If you look at the top there, you can see there's a little red thing, and it's giving you the countdown. And then if I want to stop it, I just click here. Bam. Let's say we want to do a photo, right? You just pull it over, click there, and now we can do a photo. Watch. Bam, I just took a photo of myself. Now if we want to look at these things, we click over here. And they come in, and here it is. There's one. If I go like, it should take, there we go. There's our video. If we want to watch it, I just click there. Test, test, 1, 2, 3. If you look at the top there, you can see there's a little red thing, and it's giving you the countdown. And then if I want to stop it, I just click. Okay, so that was our video that we made, right? Oh, all right, let's go back. And all right, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to Home button, and I'm going to go to our gallery. It's right here. Now we can go in here, and now these are all the photos that we took, right, or videos. So if I go here like this, it's going to give me one. If I highlight one like that, then I can come up here, click this, and I could do a slideshow, edit. I could set as wallpaper, blah, blah, blah. But I'm going to just delete it. And that's how you do it. Just click there, hit delete. And bam, Bob's your uncle. So now we just cleaned out our gallery. So if I go to gallery again, there's nothing in there, okay? And that's basically kind of like how the camera works. It does have, I do believe, I think I can show you how to do a, like if you want to set the tablet up and take a picture, but you want to get in the picture, so you set a timer on it. So over here is a little timer, and if you press on it, it gives you 3 seconds or 10 seconds, or you go back to no seconds. So if I wanted to, let's say, do 3 seconds, I could take a picture, and then it gives me time to get set. And it gives you the countdown on the camera, and then bam, it takes the picture, like that. And then if you want to change that, you just come back, press on it, whoops, press on it, goes to 10, and then it goes to no time. And then you can just do it like a regular picture. And that's how that works. And then you go here, you can look at it. There it is. And then if you want to get rid of it, you hit there, bam, delete, bam, delete, and we just cleaned it up. Then we go right back to our home page. And that's basically how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and pick this up on Amazon. Peace out.